There we go. Take your time. Keep your revs up, Nia. Lovely. Ease that clutch, Ben. Get your clutch back in, mate. Clutch back in. Clutch in. Clutch in. Well done. Clutch in. Clutch in. Okay, don't flick your clutch out. Alright, you're letting go of your clutch exactly the way that I said I didn't want to see you doing it, alright? Okay, Nia, we're going to be turning left at the traffic lights. Left at the lights. And then you're going to be using the clutch to do the turn. So try not to go into the cycle lane, Nia. Lovely. As you approach, Ben, bring your speed down a little bit. Pull the clutch in now. Keep the clutch in. Keep it in. And as we come around, you're going to ease it through. Lovely. Well done. Good. Well done. Let's check those mirrors. Good. Well done. Make friends with that clutch. At the end of the road, Nia, we'll be turning left at the end of the road. Nice, well done. Good. Bring your clutch in, start your braking, keep your clutch in now, keep it in. Only use a little bit if you need it. Lovely, gently with that clutch, gently, gently. Well done. Good. Indicator off, plan ahead, Nia, we need a nice early shoulder check. Good, well done. Nice, well done with your mirrors, Nia. Shoulder check to move out past the parked car, nice and early. And when we get to the end of this road, turn left. At the end of the road, turn left. So early mirrors signal lifesaver in position. Start with both brakes. Pull your clutch in, leave it in, come down through the gears, take your speed right down. Steady with that clutch. Well done. So mirrors and signal. Treat it like a normal right turn. Remember, we need a lifesaver just before you turn. Clutch in now, Ben. Clutch in. Well done. Lovely. Okay. Pop your bikes into neutral. Then turn the ignition off. And then pop your side stand down. Well done. We made it. No, but you're getting better, which is good. Just watch this hand. What you cannot do is you pulled off from the shop. What did you do immediately? You went poof, it's out. So use the clutch to taper the speed. Okay, so when you don't want the bike to kangaroo away from you, use the clutch, hold it on the bike point and use the bike point to bring the bike forwards and then ease the clutch through. Okay. Well done. Good, steady with your clutch. Don't worry about your indicator for now. Okay, you can pop that on in a second. Nice, keep that clutch in, clutch in. Lovely, well done, Nia. Once you've taken the exit, just go up the road a little way and then find a place to wait for us. Nice, keep your clutch in for now, Ben. Just use the bike point, feeding it through once you're actually on the line you want to be on. Well done. Okay, Nia, off you go. Shoulder checking out you come. Beautiful, thank you, well done. Nice, well done. Lovely, try and relax your arms a little bit, Ben, you're a bit tense. Just wheel your elbows like a chicken. It'll help to relax your wrists. Just keep that speed up, Nia, we're a bit slow. And then slow down for the roundabout. So mirrors, Ben, before we slow down. Easing off the throttle, a little bit of both brakes. Maybe a gear if you need to. Careful not to come down too many. Lovely, indicator lifesaver, Nia. Well done, that's nice. Well done, Ben. Look up the road now. Back on your power, off we go, nice and smooth. Come out to the middle of your lane, ease your clutch. Watch for anybody coming out in front of the bus. Good, nice check, well done. Turning left at the mini roundabout near, please. Left at the mini roundabout. So mirrors, Ben. Good, well done. Easing off, a little bit of brakes. Just hold your gear for now, don't do any more. Well done. Look up the road. Open your throttle and check your mirrors. Good, well done. Open your throttle, off we go. Try and open your throttle before you change gear. We need to get a bit of speed up. Go on, open your throttle, off we go. Lovely. All you needed to do after that mini roundabout was just open the throttle up and get the speed up. Keep opening your throttle against the hill. 32, let's go for. At the traffic lights at the end of the road, turning right. So nice early mirrors. Mirrors first, Ben. Well done. Both brakes. Bring your speed down. And slow down a bit earlier, Ben. I was a bit late with slowing down. I'd have slowed down a bit more a bit earlier, rather than going in quite so quick. Well done. Okay, back on your power now. So in a straight line after the junction, let's get back up to speed. 32, let's go. Lovely. Look at the van moving out towards you. Think about moving away from the vans. Now take the next road on the right, please, Nia. Take the next road on the right. I'm going to bring your speed down early this time, Ben, so start braking. I'm already on mine. Squeezing the front, should be the both brakes. Squeezing your rear brake as well. Yeah, a little bit too wide there, Nia. Try not to go so far forwards in the box. I usually tell myself I don't want to go onto the arrow in those boxes, so where the arrow is painted on the floor, stop at the back end of the arrow. It makes life much easier. And then you've got time to get your balance before you turn. Nice, plan ahead. Good. I'd have done that shoulder check quite a lot earlier than that, Nia, and moved out earlier. Take the next road on the left. The next road on the left. Going to bring your speed right down, Ben. So ease off your throttle, start your braking, bring your clutch in, let it roll. Second gear, bring your speed down, slow it down. Good, well done. Because we can't see around this bend, we don't want to be going around any quicker than that. I wouldn't be going any quicker than that, even on my own. If you can't see around the bend, you go slowly until you can see around the bend. Good. Shoulder checks are lovely, well done. When we get to the very end of the road, Nia, turn left. At the end of the road, turn left. Again, remember your shoulder check for moving position. Try and do it nice and early, Nia. Lovely. Clutch in now, Ben. Let it roll. Down to just your rear brake and tickling the clutch if you need a little bit of power. Be prepared to stop if necessary. Well done. Good. Take the next road on the left, Nia. Turn left. Nice. Keep your speed down again. We can't see around the bend. Using your clutch, Nia. Try and tuck it into the left and keep it there, Nia. You went a bit wide on that one. Move into the left, Ben. Good. Nice use of your clutch. Well done. Don't open it too early. I'm going to wait until you're around the bend. That's it. Nice. Well done. Okay, indicator off, mirrors and back to 22 if it's safe to do so. Once again, take the next road on the left, turn left. Look at how much that van braked as he turned into the left. I'm going to assume he's stopped just around the bend. If he isn't, then great, but if he has, at least be prepared for it. Keep into the left, Ben. Keep your speed down. Nice, there we go, a little bit of anticipation there, okay? It's all about observations and anticipating what people are about to do. Lovely, well done. Lovely, well done. Clutch in now, unless you need to tickle it for a little bit of power. Okay, just be careful then that you are looking left before you turn left. So make sure you look onto the road you're turning onto before you actually commit. You looked mostly right at that one. Good, well done. Use your power now, near off we go. Nice and positive. Lovely, keep a good eye on your right shoulder. Come on Ben, accelerate. I've got a car up my backside, mate. This is where your mirror checks are quite important for keeping the rest of us safe. Lovely, well done. Just relax your grip, Ben. The bike's jittery because you're really tense on the handlebars. So keep your throttle open but relax. So open your throttle against the hill. Keep accelerating, Ben. We're in a 40. If you see Nia getting away from you, it's not because she's speeding, it's because you're not getting up to the speed limit. Well done. Early mirrors. As soon as you see those brake lights, check your mirrors. Well done, good. You're going to choose your point of no return with these lights, so don't whack your brakes on if the lights change. Choose a point where you're still going through even if they do change. Get used to the feel of slow riding, get your balance. So revs and a little bit of power. That's it, get your balance. Good, a little bit more power to get your balance. That's it, and then clutch in. Lovely. If you're about to wobble, revs, tickle the clutch, and then off again. Okay, that's it. If you feel a wobble on, then revs, a little bit more clutch, and then coast. Got lovely balance, Nia. Good. Pop both feet down, go backwards. So get used to the coasting element of it as well, Ben. So most of the time you're doing nothing, you're coasting. Then give it a little bit of power, get your balance, get your feet up. And if it's not enough to get your balance, give it a tiny bit more. That's it, well done, a little bit more. If it's starting to wobble, give it more power, revs, a bit more clutch. Get used to how much power it needs to keep the bike upright, and it's power that keeps the bike upright. So if it starts to wobble, revs, clutch, and then coast once you've got your balance. Nice, look at where you want to land, Nia. Good, a little bit more power. That was just slightly underpowered on that one, you didn't go quite fast enough. That's it, get used to it, don't worry. You're just going to get to know it now, because we didn't have a chance to do this on the road. Nice, it's easier downhill, Nia, because you can just keep the clutch in and lean. Try and look at where you want to land though, because you're going a bit wide. Okay, so as soon as you start to turn, you lift your eyes up and look at where you want to land. But by the time you get to a roundabout here-ish, where you're bringing it round on full lock, it needs revs and a little bit more clutch to bring it round. Because you're leaning more, it needs a bit more to bring it round. Okay, use a bit of the bite point to turn it round, Ben. So when I turned, I did have revs and holding it on the bite point. Look up here, Nia, look up here. A little bit of power, 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 power. Good, you've got to give it that power. Lovely. Just be careful with having your hand almost off the end of the throttle.
Oh.
Try and keep it up here.
Okay.
So your thumb should be around here, about there, okay? I was worried your hand's going to fall off.